Do you have a favorite song or maybe a song stuck in your head that you want to share with a friend? Well, you can do that with the Amazon Echo devices. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share songs with friends and family who also have Amazon Echo devices, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Steve from the YouTube channel Steve Does, and I want to thank you for joining me here at reviews.org. So times are definitely changing, and because of that, we are getting the ability to virtually connect with our friends and family. We may not be able to see them in person, although things are starting to lighten up, but companies like Amazon are allowing us to connect virtually. And in this example today, Amazon now allows you to share songs with your friends and family who are on your actual contact list. Now, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos like this one. And with that said, let's get started. All right, so this is a pretty simple how-to that we're sharing with you guys today. If you are listening to a song that you really like, or maybe one that's just stuck in your head and you can't get it out, all you have to do to your device is say the wake word. So for example, we say, Alexa, share this song with, and you'll give the name of the person that you want to share it with. Now, that person does have to be on your contact list. If you need help setting someone up on your contact list, let me show you how to do that right now. All right, you're gonna grab your phone and load up the Alexa app. You can then go to the More tab on the very bottom. You're gonna click on Settings. We're gonna go down to Communication. And at the very bottom where it says Manage Contacts, you can manage your contacts through here. So from here, you can click on Add Contact. You'll put in the contact information of the person you have. If you wanna check who is on your contact list, at the very bottom, there's a tab called Communicate. So I'm gonna click on Communicate. In the very top right-hand corner, there's a little person up there. And when you click on that, it's gonna bring up your full contact list. So that is how you manage your contacts. From there, you can then just name the person that you want to and share that song with them. Now, if that person does not have the same default music player that you have, it doesn't matter. If the song is available on their default music player, it'll use that. If not, it'll use a music player that has the song available. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.